Yo, 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 it's your boy, Cardinal Red, and you're watching Ghetto Gourmet on YouTube. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Alright, first things first, we're going to saute off our chicken breast and chop up our apple. Oh, yeah. Alright, you guys, I have a collection of season here. I have paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, Italian season, and light salt. Alrighty, I went ahead and seasoned the first side of our chicken breast. Now I'm gonna give a quick flip. Yeah, buddy, looking juicy, looking good. And season the other side and get ready to add in our apples and saute those up for a few minutes. This is a quick recipe. Alrighty, you guys, I got my apples all chopped up and added into the frying pan. And I'm searing those off, sauteing those off for a few seconds along with the chicken. Get that apple juice to soak into our chicken breast and some of that chicken breast to soak into our apples. Oh yeah. Alrighty, 2 minutes later, and we gave our apples a quick flip. And we flipped our chicken one more time, and it shouldn't take long from here. This is a quick split chicken breast salad with a warm salad dressing. And this is super simple, super delicious. You can choose any seasonings you would like, or if you have a delicate stomach, you can just leave the seasoning out and just go with the apple juice and the chicken breast, and maybe add in a sweetener or something light. Take the recipe where you want to go. Alright, you guys, here's our final product. Before we top and add our cheese, I'll just give you guys a quick look. Looking good. And I'm feeling a little generous, so go on and soak that up one more time. Oh yeah, looking good. Now stick your finger in. Alright, you guys, here's our ingredients for our warm salad dressing. We have soy sauce, strawberry water, and organic honey. Alright, we're going to take this strawberry water and add it to the leftovers of our pan. Alright, you guys, now that we've added our strawberry water into the leftovers in our pan, we're going to give that a few stirs, deglaze, and add the rest of our ingredients. Oh yeah. Alright, next step is to take a spoonful of honey and slowly incorporate that into the deglazed pan and move on to the next step. Alright, you guys, here I've added a trail mix I was gifted by my father and mozzarella cheese. Oh yeah, looking good. Also, I've topped the salad with our warm salad dressing that we prepared, and we are ready to eat. I want to thank you guys for joining the Ghetto Gourmet Split Chicken Breast Salad. Please like and subscribe to Cardinal Red Does It All, and keep on cooking.